The manufacturing industry demands room for errors 0, quality 100%. Enter CAD drafting. It's precise, error-free, saves time, and allows for better project management. But in-house CAD drafting and modeling can be troublesome due to the infrastructure requirements, the time, the costs, the skill gap in using dedicated CAD platforms. Don't fret it, outsource it. Besides the obvious time and cost benefits of outsourcing, CAD companies have tremendous industry experience and domain knowledge. Plus, they come equipped with the best and latest tech. They can scale up or down depending on your project requirements. After 3 decades of working with thousands of clients globally, Hitech CADD Services is the preferred CAD outsourcing partner. Client satisfaction is our mantra, and we keep adding value to your designs. And we offer a wide range of CAD services that can get a tad difficult to manage in-house. Right from 2D CAD drafting to 3D modeling to CAD conversion, Hitech CADD Services has got it all. Get in touch today.